Every year, schools invest in the growth of their teachers. Students are given opportunities to learn, develop, and lead. Programs are designed to help the whole school community grow. But amidst all of this, there is one question worth asking. Who is creating space for the growth of the people leading the school? Because the growth of the school depends on the growth of its leaders, and leadership too needs time to pause, reflect, and look inward. This is the Leadership Retreat, a day where school leaders step away from their desks, away from the daily pace of running an institution, and spend time on the one thing they rarely get a chance to: themselves. Built on the 7 Habits of Highly Effective People framework, the retreat brings together CEOs, directors, principals, and vice principals, not as an audience being trained, but as a group of leaders thinking together about how they decide, how they lead, and how they show up for the people who look up to them. Just recently, we hosted a session like this at Shiv Nadar University, where the institution heads of Knowledge Habitat School came together for exactly this kind of experience. Away from their campuses, away from their usual roles, they had the space to think, reflect, and reconnect, not just with the habits, but with each other as a leadership team. There were no slides to sit through and no roles to perform. Just space to think clearly, speak honestly, and reflect on what leadership really means when no one's watching. I could tell you what that felt like, but it's better coming from them.
I would say there are a lot of learnings, but the few takeaways from the past 2 days would be:
I loved the concept of abundance. It is a concept that we must teach our children, the younger generation.
And sharpen the saw.
A lot of activities were conducted, and then the flow was very logical.
I have seen the impact of this kind of training program, and the practice which we are doing through this training is amazing.
We have moved from being dependent to independent, and ultimately we are moving towards interdependence.
The manual is well drafted. The correlation being created by the facilitator is also phenomenal.
What we are all striving as these wonderful educational institutions are to bring out the leader in each one of them.
The Leadership Retreat, for the leaders who shape every school. Get in touch with Catalyzer to bring this experience to your team.